Hello and welcome back to Hands-on Tech with Owais. Today we'll tackle a real-life IT support tickets related to DHCP IP exhaustion and APIPA, which is automatic private IP addressing. If you have ever seen an IP like 169.254.x.x on a client machine, you are dealing with an issue where the device failed to get an IP from DHCP. So in this video, we'll walk through a real troubleshooting scenario where user reports that they can't connect to the network due to the IP assignment issues. So let's jump right in. So this is a user has submitted a ticket stating that they are unable to connect to the network. So they tried restarting their PC but still no internet access, as you can see. So let's investigate. Okay. So first of all, open the CMD and ipconfig. As you can see, this is what pretty much APIPA IP address looks like. So if you see APIPA, what it means that the computer failed to obtain an IP from the DHCP server. Windows automatically assign an APIPA automatic private IP addressing address. This device is now isolated from the network. There's no internet, no shared resources, and this happens when a DHCP server runs out of available IPs or is unreachable. For example, speaking of which, if I ping the IP address of the DHCP server, you will see the transmit fail. This is a general failure. So it means this system cannot reach the DHCP server. So this happens in case of the IP exhaustion and the IP address unavailability. So we will go to the DHCP server where our DHCP servers install and open the DHCP. We can also open the DHCP from here. Being an IT professional, we should know more ways. Okay, write DHCP management dot. Oops, sorry. DHCP MDMSC. Oh, okay. So it will bring you here to DHCP console. Here we will expand the domain, expand the IP here, and we're gonna go to address pool. As you can see, the start of IP address is 6 and the end IP address is 7. So, and we have already excluded one IP address, the start IP address, to be automatically assigned. So we will then see the lease address that is lease. Also, this IP address is leased to P11101, which is here. Okay, if I show you ipconfig, so this IP has been assigned here to this machine, but not to this machine, because there's this is what is IP exhaustion, because you have a limited range of IP distribution. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we need to fix this issue. Okay, in order to do that, we will right click on the scope of this network and click on properties. Now here we will increase the range of IP address. Okay, the scope of IP address, we will make it to 10. Okay, and of course there's one more reason for the IP exhaustion, is that the users that are temporary there and they leave the office and the IP is assigned to that machine. So what you can do, if it's 8 days, you can 1 day, you can make it into hours, as it suits you. You will click apply. We have explained the scope. We will click apply. Okay, and then you will close this and restart the DHCP server. Okay, go to services, DHCP. It's good practice. Then you will restart the DHCP server. So let's wait for it. Okay, so we have restarted the DHCP server. One more thing I forgot to tell you is this, that this is necessary because this ensures that the stale IP addresses are not blocking new devices from joining the network. Okay, so now let's go to affected client machine, and here we're gonna try to release the existing APIPA address release, and now we're gonna renew it. Okay, so now it's gonna ask, send a request that do you have any IP address available for me? So the DHCP server replies back with this IP address. It says yes, I have it. So now you see there is no APIPA because the IP address is now available because we have expanded the scope of the IP address. So that's it for today, but few things to be kept in mind. These are tips to avoid IP exhaustion in the future. You must increase the DHCP server scope to allocate more IP addresses. Okay, allocate more IPs. And also monitor DHCP server logs. Set static IPs for critical devices like printers, servers, just like we did the static IP for the domain controller, main server, and for the secondary. Okay, and also enable the DHCP failover. Okay, you can configure the failover. So if the DHCP fails, it will reflect back to the other DHCP server, the partner server. We will make a separate video for it in our coming videos. So by following these practices, you can prevent network disruptions and ensure smooth IP distribution. And that's how you troubleshoot APIPA and IP exhaustion issues like a real IT professional. We have covered identifying the issue, fixing DHCP problems, preventing future occurrences. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions in your mind. Follow me on LinkedIn for more real-world IT training. I'll see you in the next hands-on tech video. Thank you for watching.